Hello, you guys. It's Spiritual-Huntress, aka Koben, again for a storytelling reading. I will do the storytelling of origins. This one is the deck from Dixit. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yeah, but I will try to tell a story that is happening maybe, or you can just see it as a story, as a cute story, or it's a spiritual message for you. Oh my god, it's a broken boat with a heart, with a glowing beautiful heart. So somebody is broken, but they do have love, but they're just, yeah, they need healing, they need to fix themselves, they need to repair. It's a boat that needs to be repaired. It's a person that needs to be repaired first, because they feel all alone in the desert. But yeah, yeah, being repaired takes time, it takes time. But yeah, he feels alone in the desert, and he feels broken, but his heart is wide open. So you can see it as well, like it's a broken person, but and they have a lot of flaws, and a lot of repairing that needs to be done. But in the meantime, their heart space is getting ripped open. um it's a snake around the town. A snake. So there is a snake that needs to be watch out. A colorful snake, with a venom, with a whole city in it. So maybe, I don't know. um Someone growing black apples in their hair, so bombshells. It's also strange. I don't know what you think about this story. um it's something about the teeth, the mouth. Yeah, the mouth, teeth. Someone needs to help repair the teeth. Something will be spoken, something needs to be spoken. Something needs to be told. Yeah, there needs to be a fairy tale being told, but at least there's, yeah, it's like someone wants to protect you while you just chilling and reading, and someone wants to have you in their palm and just check you out, have you safe there. um Dude, yeah, that's crazy. Hmm. But yeah. mm, Something is exciting, but still there is a lot of black as well. Two different, a whole different people, but they want to go travel together, they want to build something together. um Someone that feels like they're maybe not where they need to be, but it's different. Someone feels stuck. Yeah, they feel stuck. Mm, they feel that they can't go anywhere else. Someone is watching gaming a lot. There are many ghosts as well around. um some words that will be spoken will be a storm that will come, will be shocking for someone. um, hmm, hmm, what else do you have? Someone is wearing a mask. So there are two women, and one is trying to look away but still looking a little bit, and the other one is like mad and wearing a mask. So underneath that mask is maybe something else. There's something not right. Yeah, someone is attracting a whole lot of animals, fishes. Yeah, animals is attracting a lot of animals towards them right now. um hmm, Someone that wants to eat a chicken. I don't know, but still is angry. Hmm. They want to move. Hmm. They want to go towards a house. um they see that wherever they will plant their seed, it will grow a lot of wealth. It can grow a lot of wealth. um yeah. Hmm. What else? What else is there for this story? Hmm. Someone wants to write a new story, wants to make a new story. Someone is into space. Someone is into different languages. Someone likes things about space, and uh, someone found a mermaid in the sea and wants to take it home and take care of it. They want to cherish it. They want to hold it. They want to just make it feel special, nurture it. Um, yeah. Uh, they think they found a pearl, and in that pearl they can see a future with them together. um yeah, it's someone very, very special. It's someone who is um very special, very magical. Someone who is catching flies, is out in the night with a lamp and just on adventure. um, and the other one is, and she's sitting on the head of the man, and a man, like, I see a man, the environment, his hair is like all snakes. So the environment around him, maybe around him would be maybe snakes that are very much checking it out, watching it. But it's something that, yeah, he has a whole lot community. He has a lot of people that he needs to carry, a lot of people that he needs to take care of. But there are a few snakes within that community, within that environment, that are watching with in awe, watching in shock to her. But I will leave it at that. See you later, alligator. See you in a while, crocodile. Bye bye.